punching the holes on a corner block. This is something you might want to note. I know there's quite a few other table builders that use the same technique, but not everybody does. But when you notch these in here like this and like this, you get a much stronger joint on your corners, because when your leg fits in here and you tighten everything up, you don't bust this loose from the table skirting. Like if you just do an angle here and just butt it up against that, it's not nearly as strong.